Hi everybody, welcome to my 6th and 7th grade YouTube videos. This is from the 7th grade stay-at-home packet, order of operations, but it's both for 6th and 7th grade level, order of operations. Order of operations, this just makes me laugh because this is the big thing that's always on Facebook, the joke about, is this problem, this answer, and people get into very upset arguments about what it is. Well, there's a set of orders that you have to do problems in math. Okay? And it goes like this. First, you have to do everything inside of grouping symbols. Well, that's the parentheses. Okay? So we do parentheses first. Then we have to do all the exponents. Next, we multiply and divide. And multiply and divide are the same weight. So if divide comes first, working from left to right, you would divide first. But usually we say multiply and divide. Then we add or subtract. Oh, excuse me. Dusty classroom. Okay, so a lot of times you'll hear people say, use PEMDAS. Okay, parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, add and subtract. Okay, and we always add and subtract less than, oh my. My goodness. Excuse me. All right, then we also sometimes have people say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, to help them remember the order and the letters. Okay, example number 1. I'm gonna do it again. 3 times is supposed to be good luck. Maybe I'll be done now. It is springtime and flowers are starting to pollen. Okay, evaluate 10 minus 2 minus 4 times 2. Parentheses. We have to do what's in parentheses first. So we will do the 10 minus 2 first and get 8. Next, I'm just going to bring the rest of the problem down. Next, we're going to multiply and divide. Well, there's a multiply, so we're going to do this one next. 4 times 2, which is 8. Last, I can do the add and subtract, and we subtract, and the answer is 0. Okay, this one, we have to do what's inside the parentheses first. The 5 plus 1 gives you 6. Then you have to do the exponent. 6 times 6 is 36. Divide is next. 36 divided by 4. Then the last is the add. I'm going to be working these on a piece of paper so I can show you the steps. 1 plus 7 times 3. First thing, if I write that up there, I can remember that. We have to do parentheses. 1 plus 7 is 8. Bring everything down. Exponents, there aren't any. Move on to multiply and divide. Yep, 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, next problem. 28 minus 4 times 7. There are not any parentheses. There are not any exponents. Multiply and divide. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 minus 28 is 0. 5 plus 4 times 3. No parentheses, no exponents. Multiply. Then add 17. Okay, I think I'm going to drop down to like number 10. Show you how to do that one. A little more complicated here. 5 times 2 exponent raised to the power 2 plus 32 divided by 8. If you were to put that into a calculator like this, it would give you the wrong answer because this type of calculator does not know order of operations. The others would probably figure it out. First thing, parentheses, there aren't any. Exponents. 2 to the power of 2 is 2 times 2. That's 4. Next thing, multiply and divide from left to right. I have one here, and I have one here. Left to right, this one first. 24 Then I add or subtract. My answer is 24. Number 11 on this page. First I do the parentheses. 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay? 1 to the third power is 1 times 1 times 1. So that's 1. Next, I multiply and divide. 18 minus 1 is 17. My final answer. And the last one I'll do for you is 3.5 times 10 to the 2 power. Now 10 to the 2 power means 10 times 10. That's 100 right here. This guy right there is 100. 2.5 times 100. I'm sorry, that's a 3.5. My bad. 3.5. Okay, 3.5 times 100. And that gives us 350. If this was helpful, please push the like button on the video. If you want to make sure you get notified or whatever, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Send me messages there if you'd like. Let me know how I'm doing. And sorry for the sneezes today.